Hello guys, and welcome to day 2 of your practical designs, or your second practical design. So straight up, we're going to learn how to create this flyer for a brand that sells cosmetics. Now, the things to note when you're creating flyer design is first thing first, your header. Then your body text, then follow. Now what is now the body text? The body text is all the text that's going to fall in the body of the design, but actually it tells you what the business is all about. As you can see here now, that is the body text that tells us what the business is about. Then your images, if the person is selling drugs, is drugs that's supposed to be here. You add at least 2 or 4 reference photos of the product. Then last thing to add is your CTA, right? Your CTA, which is call to action. I believe I've already taught you this already. Then this big girl now is like the base image that shows you, okay, this I'm talking about. I'm designing a flyer for a brand that sells beauty stuff. So your base image should be screaming beauty and stuff like that. So now let's go straight to it. Wasting time. In the last video, we wasted so much time because it's our first designer, so people are just getting new into it. So today I'm not going to waste too much time. Yeah, you know what I'm doing. You know where I'm pressing. I'm going to go straight to the business. Now, first thing to notice is to add your gradient. Now, your gradient, you click on this down part here, then click on transparency, right? Click on this, then go to gradient. Okay, wait first, calm down. Okay. Now I've already cleared all my gradient. I don't know why. Then now let us look at this. This is a monochromatic gradient, right? Of orange. Monochromatic gradient of orange. Right. So from a darker shade to a lighter shade. From a darker shade to a lighter shade. From left to right. Right, so on this left, the S code is FF6 A00. On the middle, the S code is FF8 CA1. Right, this is where I'm pressing on this side to add your S code. FF8CA1. Then for lighter shade, it is FFB347. So once you input that, you should get this gradient fill. Now the next thing to now do is to add your bar or your shape. Okay, that's not what I'm supposed to press. Mistake. Add your shape, make it white, extend it and add it to this down part, make it a little bit small. Yes, it's okay. Then after this, next thing to do now is to add that fine beautiful girl. So let me pause it and add that. So this is the girl. So if you want to flip your image, I think I've showed you before. When you want to flip your image, just press this, but we're not flipping it. Click on OK. We're going to extend it a little bit. Scrub it a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to put it to back. Right, to back. Let's at the back for now. Then what to do, start adding your text. Now the name of the brand is Glow Nest Cosmetics, right? And the font we used is Agram font, I think. Glow Nest, right? Glow Nest. Let me look for the font. Font is Atom Regular. The size should be around 54 or so. Yeah. Glowness Cosmetics. Copy it. Glowness Cosmetics. Right, cosmetics, right? Now I can see that the cosmetics is looking larger than the glowness because it has more words. So what to do now is just reduce the size of cosmetics so that it can blend with the size of glowness. You can also make glowness more larger than cosmetics too, because it's the main header. So now we should just add our gradient. Our gradient to the left should be around 3 to 4. It should be 4. Okay, be 5. Okay. Then the others. Shade it to the edge a little bit. Yep. So arrange it small. A little bit. Yeah. Just increase the size of cosmetics to about so glowness is size 58 and cosmetics is size 48. Now the next thing to do now is add our body text. Now our body text within in I'm just copy it within I already typed already within fragrance, beauty, skincare, blah. Now if you want to import it, just tap on this plus icon, click on it about this plus icon, right, edit and type on it, right. Then you scroll and look for your font. I'll send you this font. I use Montserrat regular or Montserrat bold. I think it should be bold. No, Montserrat medium. Yes, Montserrat medium. Okay. Yeah. Then that's what I did. Yeah. And then I added a shape. This shape, we're going to make it very small so that our design will not look too crowded on that pack. And the video should be around 16, right? 16 and ingredient also. Now to make this a monochromatic scheme, we are going to use all the color. Everything should be shades of orange. Then since it's we can change it, I'm going to change it a little bit. Yep. Yeah. Then add a stroke. So like 5 and make the stroke white. Yeah, that's it. Then going to make it fit in the text, increase the size a little bit. Yeah, then I'm going to make this guy come forward. Now you can see that that text now is not under the shape. Then what to do, press these layers here, then tap on this edit button, then tap on this one, add down, come forward. You can see now it's forward. I'm going to edit it. Also, don't make your text touch the lines of the shape. It's very bad. It's very bad. So let's increase this, the width of the shape a little bit. Yep, make it side, make it fit inside very well. Make it fit inside very well. Yeah, this is okay. This is very much okay. Very much okay. You can put this glueness a little bit upper. Yeah. Yes. Yes, cosmetics. A little bit upper. Right, so now the next thing to do is to add our base photo, that 4 images. Then you can also get this move it upper. Then so what to do now, click on this button down, tap on it, then click on these two, then tap on this edit button again, edit button, then tap on move on position. Then can move the two together. To move the two of them together in graph, so it's not take you much time. Please understand it. Right, so now next thing to do is to add your base image. Like, so that's really getting beautiful, guys. Yeah. So let me pause it right now. Or should I pause it? Yep. Add just 4. Yeah, 4. So I've added the photo, right? I've added the photo, and I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to leave the size to about 4. I think it was 4. The size of 4. Right. No. I think 11 is okay. 12 is okay. Put back that big line. Alright. I think I'm 5. Yeah. So I'm going to make it very equal. That's obeying proximity. Right. Now I've already added all the photos. I'm not going to like copy them. I'm going to copy them. Yeah, I'm going to copy them. Let's see. Crop it. Everything must be 1:1. Crop it, right? Then size also should be 14, like I said, 14. Okay, 14, right? Just like size it. Make it 4 in the middle, switch in the middle, and always use your inner eye to see if it's equal, like if equally spaced out, right? So add the third one. See, also crop it to 1:1. I'll send you all these photos, so don't panic. I'll send these photos. You can check the photos on the description, or if I'm a good pro in normal pass together. Okay, equal spacing. Right? This is very easy, very simple, and very like this. Oh god, this is very easy to do, and it obeys simplicity, which brings professional look. It brings that professional look. I think it's not to copy. Then also should be 1:1, right? 1:1. Everything must be 1:1. Let's make it. Everything must align. Everything must be the same, right? Let me make this a little bit closer. Not completely okay, but it's manageable. Now next is going to add stroke to it. Stroke. Tap on it, add the stroke. Add it. Enable it. Make it white also. And stroke too. Tap it for everything. Add stroke to it. Make it look like it's the frame. You get me? Add stroke. Okay, you can see everything has stroke already. Nice. Stroke, everything has stroke because I copied. Yeah, stroke 2, and it won't be white. Now next thing to do now is to add your CTA. See, we're done with the design. Very simple. Very simple. That's just it about fire. Once I already understand the concept of making one, it's very simple for you. Now next thing to do now is add that CTA. That's the website. Contact us on all social media. This is it. Contact us on all social media platforms as Naturalness Cosmetics. Right. Then you click on font. Tap on my font, and also I use Montserrat medium, right? Then I put it to down, and I carried it up a little bit faster with my grid lines. You can see we're done already. Very easy, very simple. Right? Very simple. The next thing to do now is to add your CTA. Your CTA is also simple. Just tap this text, report, right? Call us now, or call +234 936 834 117 82. Can you imagine that I just guessed a person number? So yeah, because we did the size about 15 or so. 15 is okay. Then because your CTA must be bold, so that, because that is the main thing. If your customer cannot, after your amazing design, your customer did not now see where to contact you, that flyer is rubbish already now. Because the main purpose for a flyer is to attract sales, right? So if your design is to, please always use large fonts, heavy fonts for the CTA. Very important. Very important. So I'm going to use Montserrat bold for this. Montserrat bold. Let's place it down. Let's increase the size a little bit to like 16, 17. Yeah, this is fine. And you might be wondering that what am I doing? Right, so I'm going to create a block. Add a shape, make it very very small. It's very small, very small. Add radius 3 or 2, 5. Okay, no, I think it's too much. Then the gradient should be brown or dark orange. You can see the S code is 844007. I increase this a little bit. Anyways, anyhow, so I'm going to place it at that left part. And you can see the design is what? This design is a left alignment. Your most flyers are always left aligned. Again, I'm going to increase the width of it. Yeah, this is fine. Then tap on this, click on. Now I'm going to do the size a little bit to 15, so I can size it. And we're done. We are done like this. We are done with the design. What's left out now is just finishing touches. The text. I'll show you a trick to make that text more visible. This is very neat. Very neat design. Now to add your finishing touches, we are done. This is 7 minutes, actually 2 minutes. We are done. Now to add finishing touches now, just to bring this to the front. Increase the size a little bit and make it sharp. Then add this photo. I'm going to send you this photo. Okay, now this is photo. I'm going to send you the photo. Now it's a texture, yes, like what we did in our first design, right? So this is texture. Then click on opacity. Yeah, opacity was about 7 to 6, 5. Very light because the background is light and show very well. So then to back, let's see to back. Very easy, very nice. Right, so what next now is to add our finishing touches to this header. How do we do that? Now make this feel more realistic. Click on my font. Click on inner shadow. It's a simple text effect. And then click on plus sign. Now once we are adding inner shadow, if the main color of the text is light, you must use a shade of it, either darker hue, or if the color is dark, use a lighter shadow for it. I hope you understand. So it's very white, so we are going to use like a kind of gray color as the shadow. Then make it blur with your 0, right? Offset 2, offset y should be around -2. Very fantastic. Same thing applies on this shadow, inner shadow. offset 2, offset y 2. Now I hope you can see the difference now. Difference came out, so that yes, this is the ground. Now I can make your own more larger than this though. Not larger than this, but it's the biggest font there, sir. Yeah, this is good. This is nice. Glowness cosmetics. We're done. No, we're not done. Next thing to do is to add the same thing for the text for this block. Yeah, same thing we did. Do it for the block. Now, we want to add inner shadow and a shadow to that text block. Now, same thing. The color of the text block is a bright color. I'm going to add a dark shade, make it blur with the 0, offset of y2 and minus 3. You can see the difference now. Very easy, very nice. Let's increase this a little bit. Increase this a little bit. 50. Yeah, we're done. So thank you for staying to the end. This is how to create a flyer design for a brand that sells cosmetics. See you in our next tutorial video. Peace out. Now, to save this video for new subscribers, right, click on this tool up here, then always save as project. Type your name right here and save as project. And after that, you will now save as image and always save in the highest quality. How do you do that? Click on ultra mode. Ultra, it gives the highest resolution. Then click on save to gallery. Very easy. So see you in our next class. Thanks for watching. Bye.